Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to integrate your Stripe account with Biz365. So once we've done that, what you'd see is at checkout, users will be able to pay using credit card, debit card and all the accepted payment modes. But the amount will come directly through your Stripe account into your bank account. So let's directly see how to do that. So when we go into Biz365, in order to integrate, you'll have to go from settings into your payment settings. And once you go to your payment settings, you need to actually select Stripe. I've already done that. So we need to go to and select Stripe. And then it requires a key and a secret key. So where can we get that? We need to log into your Stripe account. And if you don't already have a Stripe account, you can create a Stripe account by registering there and completing their KYC and completing their processes. Once you've done that, you'll get your Stripe account which is activated. In your Stripe account, what you need to do is go to developers. And from developers, you need to go here into your API keys. Once you go to your API keys, you need to create a secret key. So when you create a secret key, obviously I cannot really show you this secret key, but once you create a secret key, you'll get a secret key which you need to keep it somewhere. And I already have kept it here. So this secret key I'm going to copy. So I'm going to copy this secret key because I'd earlier done that. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste the secret key. Once I've done that, then what I need to do is go to my payment gateway key, which is here, and copy this from here. And it says copied. And I'm going to go here and copy this and paste it here. And this is my public key and this is my secret key. Once I've done that, my basic integration is complete with Biz365. Now let's see exactly what the user gets when they actually go and complete their shopping. So I'm going to go to my website. As you can see, I've already added some products to my cart. I'm going to go directly to my cart. Or let me directly go in here. Let's see what happened. Let me add something more. And I'm going to go to my cart. And from here, I'm going to go to checkout. And from here, I'm going to go to checkout. It's going to say enter the city. I'm going to enter the city. Save the information and check out. As you can see, rather than proceeding with this with the actual checkout, it's going to show me the Stripe page. So as you can see, it's powered by Stripe. And now what I can do is I can proceed with putting in my credit card details and, literally just going ahead and paying for my merchandise. So that's how you complete your Stripe integration with Biz365. Thank you.